Good afternoon, respected faculty members, esteemed guests, and dear students. As our esteemed resource person, Dr. G. Srinivasan, scientist at the Zoological Survey of India, has arrived at our college. I encourage our students to actively participate, engage in discussions, and ask insightful questions.
Now I request our students Smita and Sneha to come forward and felicitate our principal sir and vice principal sir.
Scientist at Zoological Survey of India and renowned wildlife expert G. Srinivasan sir, respected vice principal of the college, respected faculties of the college, renowned environmentalist Dr. Kuberanguya. This kind of workshop, it always gives an extra, it gives something new to our students. Otherwise, we remain confined to our syllabus. So these programs give variety, these programs give a new dimension to our learning experience, to the learning process. And it is very hurriedly organized program. I thank the head of the department of the zoology, Dr. Mohini Mohan Bora sir.
We are very fortunate that Srinivasan sir is with us.
শ্ৰীনিবাসন ছাৰে এইখন ফিল্ডত বহুত দিন কাম কৰি আছিলে। মই ছাৰ আমাৰ নাৰ্চাৰীলৈ আহিছিলে গছৰ পুলি ল'বলৈ, আৰু সেই ইনফৰ্মেশ্যনটো ভাল পুলি পাই বুলি ইনফৰ্মেশ্যনটো দিছিলে জুলজি ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ।
To Dr. G. Srinivasan. In recognition of Dr. G. Srinivasan, scientist, Additional Director, Zoological Survey of India, Arunachal Pradesh, for his exemplary dedication spanning over 21 years in advancing biodiversity research, habitat conservation, and sustainable landscape management in Northeast, including Arunachal Pradesh.
What is your dream? Let me know one student from girls side and boys side. One student tell me what's your dream. Come on, man. Anyone? There is a courage. Come on.
Sir,
One student.
I want to become an media entrepreneur.
Okay, good. I'm courageous because you have the courage. Suppose the girls, going forward. What is it? Anyone? What is it? Excellent, excellent. Good.
Sir, see, I want to become a public service.
Where is it? I do not see the face. Okay, good. Then, anything else? You tell you in your language, no problem.
নমস্কাৰ ছাৰ। পোনপ্ৰথমে মই এজন ভাল মানুহ হ'বলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম, তাৰপিছত প্ৰফেচৰ হিচাপে যিহেতু MLT বাছি লৈছোঁ, গতিকে এই দিশতে আগবাঢ়ি যাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম। ধন্যবাদ।
Excellent. Let's see. That's what we expect. First is thinking, whatever you educate, all these things, without a good human being, it doesn't work out actually. And one more thing I'm telling you, see, you have got a lot of power as a students, young students, and top of it, you are in Northeast. You have a lot of resources. This comes to your state, from there it happens. But now what has happened, the total thing goes to Delhi. From Delhi, you have to write your exams and selection comes from there. This is how it goes on. And second thing, do you have any interest on wildlife? How many? Raise your hands, man. Come with courage, man. You are all students, you have enough power. Okay. See, as far as wildlife is concerned, we have a lot of institutes like Wildlife Institute of India, Zoological Survey of India, and ICFR, Indian Council for Forestry Research and Education. All these institutes, they recruit for you for scientist B. That is from, it comes to the Union Public Service Commission. And you are well paid. Both the ways, you are well paid and you get a lot of honor and dignity in it. The thing is, after your MSc, usually they go for MSc, and if you have PhD, it's preferable. Once you have a PhD, you will be totally in research. They will have an exam. In that exam, you have to go through. Usually, if it's from Zoological Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, Forestry Research, all these things, they come through UPSC. The starting is scientist B, which comes to Union Public Service Commission. And it depends upon the vacancies. Every time they have a paper called as Employment News. Have you heard it?
The sons and daughters of the mighty Brahmaputra, Assam Valley, will safeguard our land and natural resources